Tired of spending hours building reports in Pipedrive? You know the drill. Manually filtering data, setting up complex formulas, and hoping you didn't miss something. Well, there's a much better way. You can generate any report in seconds with AI. And here's the best part. No manual work needed. No more wrestling with spreadsheets or guessing which filters to apply. Let me show you exactly how to use the AI report generator, from opening insights to describing your report. It's simpler than you think. All right, let's jump in. Start by opening up your Pipedrive account. If you're anything like me, you've already got all your deals, contacts, and activities sitting in there. Now, here's where the magic begins. Over on the left-hand sidebar, click on Insights. This is your command center for all things reporting. You'll see your existing reports here, and if you have any that you've built before, you can absolutely use those. But for today, let's create something new from scratch. Go ahead and click the plus sign or the option to create a new report. Now, this is where the AI really shines. Look at the top of the page for a button that says Generate Report with AI right next to the standard buttons. Click that. A new window will pop up. This might take a moment to load, so just give it a second. Once it appears, you'll see a text field that says Enter your report needs here. Click right inside that field. And here's the really important part. This is where you describe exactly what you want. Be specific. Don't just say, show me my deals. Tell the AI exactly what you need. For example, something like, show me a bar chart of all deals closed in the last quarter, grouped by sales rep, and highlight the ones over $50,000. Or maybe, create a table of all open deals that are past their expected close date, sorted by deal value with the highest priority first. The more detail you give, the better your report will look on the first try. In my experience, the most successful reports come from clear, specific descriptions. Once you've typed in your request, just hit Enter or click Generate. Watch the AI do its thing. It will build the report, pull your data, and populate everything automatically. And here's the thing. I've tested this with all kinds of complex reporting needs, and it handles them beautifully. But you still have control. You can tweak the chart type, adjust the filters, or change the date range if something doesn't look exactly right. Think of it as your assistant that does the heavy lifting, and you just do the final polish. When you're happy with what you see, go ahead and save it. Click that Save button and give your report a name that makes sense. Something like Q4 Deals by Rep or Overdue Deals Tracker. Now here's a pro tip. You can share this report with your team instantly. Just click the share icon and choose the people or teams who need access. No more exporting CSV files or taking screenshots. Everyone sees the same up-to-date data automatically. So there you have it. From hours of manual filtering to seconds with AI, you can now generate any report you need, describe it naturally, and get exactly what you're looking for. Give it a try on your own data. I think you'll be surprised at how easy it really is.